So there is a huge misconception that you should just pick the most popular payroll software and move on, but that is the fastest way to end up overpaying for complex HR features that you don't use. Today, we are putting Gusto and OnPay to the test. I'm going to walk you through their real-world payroll tools, compliance checks, and pricing tiers to help you lock down the perfect fit for your business. Quick heads up, I've put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you do use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel. So when it comes down to payroll and HR software, both Gusto and OnPay share the exact same goal. They want to take a process that usually eats up hours of your week and make it as painless as possible. But the way they actually go about that is pretty different. And that's what really matters when you are choosing one for your own team. Gusto leans hard into being your entire back office, while OnPay focuses heavily on keeping things simple, fast, and highly supported. All right, we're going to kick it off with Gusto. Think of this as an all-in-one hub that thrives on putting your busy work on autopilot. The whole idea here is to handle everything, from running your weekly payroll and filing confusing taxes to managing health benefits and bringing on new hires, all inside one dashboard with as little manual clicking as possible. All right, once you dive in, getting set up is a breeze. Gusto guides you step by step to add your company details and link up your business bank account. And from there, you just shoot over an invite to your team so they can onboard themselves. And this is easily one of my favorite features. Your team can log in, punch in their own taxes, and set up their direct deposit. It completely takes you out of the middleman role, so you aren't chasing down voided checks or fixing typos. And when it comes to actually paying your team, it couldn't be simpler. If your staff works different hours every week or you need to hand out bonuses, you can just run it manually in a few clicks. But if everyone is on a set salary, you can turn on their autopilot feature. It literally runs the payroll for you in the background while you focus on actually growing your business. Another massive win for Gusto is the compliance side of things. It automatically figures out, files, and pays all of your federal, state, and local taxes. And when tax season rolls around, it even handles all those W-2s and 1099s. It gives you incredible peace of mind knowing that you aren't going to miss a random deadline and get hit with a penalty. And Gusto doesn't stop at just cutting checks. It goes deep into the HR side too. Depending on the plan that you pick, you get tools for tracking hours, managing vacations, running performance reviews, and posting job listings, because it's all built into the same system. It feels smooth and keeps you from jumping between 5 different apps. Now shifting gears over to OnPay. They take a different path. It is still a very modern, snappy platform, but they double down on keeping it simple, offering total transparency and giving you incredibly hands-on customer support. Now, instead of hiding their best tools behind expensive upgrades, OnPay gives you one core payroll plan that packs in almost everything a normal business actually needs. Right out of the gate, you get unlimited payroll runs, the ability to pay people in different states, full tax filings, and self-service portals for your team. But the biggest advantage here is their white glove setup guarantee. If you're currently stuck with a clunky old payroll provider, you don't have to spend your weekend exporting messy spreadsheets or manually typing in years of old data. OnPay's support team actually steps in to handle the migration for you. It is a big relief because it removes the number one reason people stay stuck with bad software. Well, the fear of the setup process. Now, once you are up and running, the day-to-day management is designed to stay out of your way. You can easily coordinate different pay schedules, like paying your contractors weekly while your full-time staff stays on a bi-monthly track. And when it's time to actually fund those payments, OnPay keeps your bank statement clean by bundling everything into a single withdrawal. Instead of long list of confusing tax and wage charges, you just see one clear line item, which makes balancing your books at the end of the month a whole lot faster. And while they do handle all these standard tax filings and payments automatically, they really pull ahead if you do run a specialty business. If you are managing a restaurant, a farm, or a nonprofit, you know those tax forms are a different animal. OnPay is built to handle the tricky stuff like tip minimum wages and seasonal agricultural filings without you having to hire an outside consultant to figure it out. Now on the HR front, OnPay still gives you solid tools like keeping track of time off, managing company documents, and just setting up charts. It's just a bit more stripped back and straightforward compared to Gusto's massive suite of tools. And if you do want to give Gusto or OnPay a try, then you can check out the affiliate links in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. All right, let's talk about the cost, because this is where you will notice a pretty clear split between the two platforms. Gusto uses a tiered pricing model. Their entry-level plans start at a flat $50 per month plus $6 for every person on your team. And if you want to step up to the mid-tier plan to unlock tools like built-in time tracking and multi-state payroll, That is $80 a month plus $12 per person. They also have a top-tier premium plan for larger teams. So with Gusto, you can definitely start small, but your bill will grow as you turn on more of those advanced HR features. OnPay keeps it very simple. They charge a flat $50 a month plus $6 per person. That's it. And unlike Gusto's starting plan, OnPay's flat rate already includes multi-state payroll, unlimited pay runs, and all of your tax filings without needing to upgrade. Because of the flat structure, OnPay usually ends up being the cheaper option, especially if you have a remote team spread across a few different states and you don't need a big HR system. So which one should you choose? When it comes time to make a decision, which one is actually right for you? Both of these platforms are very easy to use and they're going to save you a ton of time, but it really comes down to how your business runs. Gusto, it's all about putting things on autopilot. It's designed to be your entire HR department in one tab. If you want a platform that lets you be totally hands-off, handles complex employee benefits, and will easily grow right alongside your team, Gusto is a fantastic choice. OnPay is a choice if you want a powerful, high-accuracy payroll system without the big tech overhead. It's built for the business owner who wants a predictable bill and a support team that actually knows their name. If you are watching your budget, you have employees scattered across different states, or you work in a unique industry like a restaurant or a farm, OnPay is going to be your best bet. That wraps up today's video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more just like this. And as I mentioned earlier, check the links below for the best deals available right now. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.